To create an account on Zoom. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to create a new account on Zoom, what you're gonna do is, first of all, launch the application on your device. After you do that, over here you can see sign in, sign up, or join a meeting. If you want to join a meeting without logging in or creating your account, you can simply tap on join a meeting. However, if you want to create a new account, go to sign up. After you do that, enter your birth year, then tap on continue. Now you can either enter your email address over here, or you can continue with Google, with Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, or SSO. Now choose the method that is suitable to you. As you can see, I have entered my email. Now it will send a code to my email address. Now if you also entered your email, wait until the code is being sent to your email. So I have received my code. So after you enter your code, tap on verify. Then enter your first name, your last name, and enter a password which you can easily remember. And you must remember that your password must include at least these things given over here, and your password must not include these things. Then after you enter your name and password, you will successfully be logged into your Zoom account. So this is how you can create an account on Zoom. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope the video was helpful to you, and see you in the next one.